Hello guys and welcome to FreeBirds2 and welcome to 75-day Hard Generative AI Learning Challenge, and this is day 40. And in this video, I will tell you how you can train a large language model with the API data. We can fetch the data with the help of API and then store the data in our file systems and then train the model with that API data so that you have your own LLM at the end. Okay, so this whole structure I will show you completely from the start, and we can go step by step. Okay guys, so let's get started and build our own large language model with API data. So I hope you guys seen my screen. That is a Kaggle notebook here, and here I use the Wikipedia API to fetch the Wikipedia data and then train the large language model on that. And for the point of large language model, the first thing is fetch the Wikipedia data from the Wikipedia API. Here I install the Wikipedia API here and then build this small function to fetch only the data that is related to this topic. Okay, I fetch the data related to this topic and store it in this file. Okay, and this file will be stored here. As you see here, the file will be stored. And now I import all the transformers library that I need to train my large language model, which I already explained in my previous videos that how these libraries work. Okay, so first thing, I upload the GPT-2 large language model for this whole task. Okay, and GPT-2 tokenizer and GPT-2 config along with the text dataset, trainer and training arguments as well. Okay, so here I just load the tokenizer and the model from the GPT-2 model. Okay, and the whole model loading will be completed like this. And now I just build this Wikipedia data into the data format that is actually required by the large language model to start the training. Because I just show you here, I just write this code. This code is not necessary, so we'll just delete it. And this is the Wikipedia text that I just created here, and this is how it looks like. The data is in this complete paragraph format. Okay, so we just need this data to not be in this paragraph format but in the format of tokens, because we only train the large language model in the form of tokens only. Okay, so that's why we just need to convert our data into tokens in a specific block size. So for that we use this text dataset library that will take the tokenizer and our data along with the block path and build the train data here. Okay, and then we need the data collator. Data collator actually do one thing. It is used to actually build your whole data in the form of complete model, like complete large language model data set, that it can add some special tokens as well. It can do the truncation, it can do the paddings as well, and it can also helps you to do the mask language modeling if you set true here. Okay, the concept of mask language modeling as well I already explained in my previous videos. You can check out the link in the I button or in the description. Okay, so this complete library will just take this tokenized data and then build it for your whole large language model with the help of all the tokens, padding and truncations kind of thing as well. Okay, so now here we build the training arguments here, that what kind of things we actually need. Okay, like what are the number of approaches, steps, where should we write the model, everything here. Okay, and then we have the trainer model, which just get our trainer here, get the training argument, and then get the data collator along with our training data, and then it train the model. So here our model get easily trained with on our this small kind of dataset of the Python only, and then I save this model along with its token here. As you see, the model and token both will get saved here, and then I load this complete two models as well, and then build a pipeline to see how this large language model will work now. So I ask a simple question to it, what is Python, and it is generate the answer very good. Okay, so this is how So this is how you can like get any kind of a paragraph data set, and just with the help of these 2-3 things, you can build your own large language model, or you can train your own large language model on this GPT-2 or any other kind of large language models. Okay, so in our next video, I will show you how you can use the RAG along with the large language model and along with the Pinecone vector database to build a whole chatbot system. Okay, so in that we also use the Wikipedia data only, but the main thing is we use the vector database to store our data. Okay, so just be with it, and if you want to know more about machine learning, prompt engineering, data science and data analysis, you can watch my videos on YouTube and also read my blogs on Medium. We'll meet in our next video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.